Welcome back to Class-40. Today's topic is the Transform tool. This tool controls the copies and positioning of an object. Scale, horizontal or vertical. With this option, you can increase or decrease the width or height of an object. You can set the value above 100% to enlarge the object, or below 100% to shrink it. Move horizontal vertical. This moves the object in the X and Y directions. You can adjust the values to move it as much or as little as you want. Rotate. This rotates the object at a specific angle. You can rotate it by any degree you want. Reflect XY. This creates a mirror version of the object, horizontal or vertical flip. Copies. This option creates multiple copies of the object. Example, 5 copies equals 5 duplicate shapes. Pro tip, very useful for pattern designs and circular shapes. This tool randomly distorts the anchor points of an object. Horizontal/vertical moves the points randomly, left-right or up-down. Relative/absolute, relative changes based on the current position. Absolute changes based on a fixed value. Use case, best for creating rough, organic, or abstract shapes. Twist tool. This tool twists the object from its center, creating a twisting effect. Angle controls how much twist is applied, in degrees. For example, a 10-degree value creates a slight twist, while 100 degrees creates a strong spiral effect. Use case, ideal for spiral designs and creative distortions. Zigzag. This effect turns the edges of an object into zigzag or wavy lines. Size controls the height of the zigzag, how strong the waves are. Ridges per segment determines how many waves are created. Points, corner or smooth. Corner equals sharp edges. Smooth equals soft waves. Use case, useful for creating waves, borders, and creative outlines.